Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Chainlink tokens from Bitmart to Metamask in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto holdings or just get more hands-on with your assets, this process is easier than you might think. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need a verified Bitmart account with your Chainlink tokens, a Metamask wallet installed on your browser or mobile app, and a small amount of ETH for gas fees since we're dealing with the Ethereum blockchain. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Bitmart website or app, enter your credentials, and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's 2025, so let's stay safe out there. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your Chainlink tokens. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Select Chainlink from the drop-down, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Now, for the destination, you'll need your Metamask wallet address. To get that, open Metamask, switch to the Ethereum mainnet if it's not already, and copy the wallet address from the top of the interface. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Then, confirm the withdrawal. Bitmart might ask for additional verification, so have that ready. After initiating the transfer, head back to Metamask and keep an eye on your wallet. The tokens should appear once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, which could take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Remember, gas fees can vary, so keep an eye on those costs. Finally, once your Chainlink shows up in Metamask, you're all set. This method gives you more control over your assets. If you run into any issues, like delayed transfers, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.